Want to try Apple's newest iOS 27 features before everyone else? In this guide, I will show you how to install the iOS 27 developer beta on your iPhone for free. Apple now allows anyone with a free Apple developer account to access developer betas, so you no longer need a paid developer membership. Before you begin, make sure your iPhone is compatible with the latest iOS beta version and create a full backup of your device. Beta software can contain bugs, app compatibility issues, and battery drain problems, so backing up your data is highly recommended. Start by opening Safari on your iPhone and visit Apple's developer website. Sign in with your Apple account and accept Apple Developer Agreement to register for a free developer account. Once registered, your Apple ID becomes eligible for developer beta updates. Next, on your iPhone, open the Settings app. Tap on General. Here, tap on Software Update. Wait for the software update page to load. Then tap on Beta Updates. If you're signed in with the same Apple account you used for the Apple developer registration, you will see the option for iOS 27 developer beta. Select iOS 27 developer beta from the list. Go back to the software update screen. The latest iOS developer beta should now appear. Tap Update Now or download and install, then follow the on-screen instructions. Your iPhone will download the beta update and restart during installation. If you don't see the developer beta option, make sure you're signed in with the same Apple account used for Apple developer registration. Restart your iPhone. Wait a few minutes for Apple's server to recognize your account and verify that your iPhone is running iOS 16.4 or later, as beta updates are managed directly through software update on newer versions of iOS. That's it. You have successfully installed the iOS 27 developer beta on your iPhone for free and can start testing Apple's newest features before the public release. If you are interested in more iOS 27 content, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as we will be posting videos about all the new features in the coming days. Thanks for watching.